That's cool. Why are you cool?
Jump.
Oh, because you're like that? Because of your pose?
Yeah.
I think you're...
Superman and Batman.
Superman and Batman. Woo! You're a winner. You say, I win. Wow, so 凶. 你很凶. Hey, JD. Look at you. Is that the right size for you? I don't think so, but that's okay. If we fall in the water, my cell phone's broken anyway, so we're screwed either way. Look at my son. He's like the Look at you, JD. Say hi.
Hi.
Over here. Over
Hi.
here. Yeah, we're on the boat, right? Cool. This is a view I never thought I'd see. This is the underneath of that suspension bridge that I showed in a few of my videos with my son. JD, give me a smile. You smiling? His life jacket's taller. It's done up underneath his crotch as well, so you know, it's not gonna work very well, but at least it'll let you know whereabouts he is. Yeah? Woo! There's the temple. JD's first time on a boat, ever. He's 2 years and maybe 9 months old, 10 months old. This is your first time on a boat, JD? Is it fun? Good. Dancing.